Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Applewiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can add an app back to your home screen on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So here you can see we are currently on the home page, but I have mistakenly deleted one of the applications that I currently need on my home page. Now we're going to go to our app library, for which you can swipe left just like this. And after doing that, here you can tap on search bar of the app library right here and then start typing for the application that you want to bring back to your home page. For example, I want this app Block Blast to be back on my home page. So I'm going to long press on this Block Blast application just like this. And after long pressing on it, I'm going to drag this application just like this. Here you can see now it has come to our home page. Now I'm going to drag it to the left direction where my other home page is. So I'm going to drag it to left like this. And here you can see we are on this particular home page and I want to set it right here. So I'm going to drag this application right here and release my finger. And here you can see I have successfully set this application right here and I'm satisfied with this alignment. So I'm going to tap on the done option on the top right corner right here. And we are all set. And just like this, you can add an app back to your home screen on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.